Legendary English automaker MG is best known for inventing the iconic British sports car segment with the likes of the MGT-C, the MGA and the MGB. After a few rough decades of being owned by the likes of British Motor Corporation, British Leyland and even BMW, MG is now under Chinese ownership under the SAIC umbrella. And yes, it is finally coming to India, so here is all you need to know about the brand new entrant in the Indian automotive scene. MG will launch its first ever car in India in the second quarter of 2019. And to make the most of it, it will be an SUV. We caught up with Rajiv Chhabra, the President and Managing Director of MG Motor India, who told us a little more about the automaker's plans with its first product.
As far as our first product is concerned, we are launching an SUV. So it's not going to be sub 4 meter, so that's clear. In terms of 4 plus, you're right, there are many segments within that, and sub-segmentation is happening at a very fast pace, and SUV overall is one of the fastest growing segments in our country. And that's globally true, by the way, also. So right now we are choosing the right platform from SAIC stable, and it will be difficult for me to say which particular segment, but I can tell you it's not sub 4 meter.
MG will make this new SUV in India at the old GM manufacturing plant in Halol in Gujarat. The Chinese-owned British automaker has already invested 2,000 crore rupees into modernizing the factory with a new body shop, new assembly line and a new stamp shop. The factory will offer about 1,000 new jobs and will also offer a brand new vendor park inside the facility. Coming back to the product though, we expect the SUV to be launched with a petrol engine, and even though MG does not have a diesel engine in its portfolio, the automaker has promised that a diesel engine will be sourced for the Indian market. MG is also looking into the future with electrification and alternate mobility solutions. In terms of a sales and service network, MG has promised as many as 300 touchpoints, which include dealerships and service centers across the country. Considering the fact that MG is a Chinese-owned automaker, expect prices to be extremely competitive, especially since MG is looking at over 80% localization on its new SUV at the time of launch.